Okay, so I just read this wild thing about Chatterbox, this new open source TTS model, and it's totally shaking up the scene,
Wait, what? An open source TTS model that's actually outperforming some closed source systems? That's pretty bold.
right? It's like if you combine the innovation of AI with community-driven power. I mean, how often do we see that?
Totally. And it's not just about performance. It's also about giving people control over their voice synthesis. That's fascinating.
Exactly. There's this feature for emotion exaggeration control. Imagine creating a voice that feels more alive.
Hold on. So you're telling me you can adjust how much emotion a voice conveys? That changes everything about storytelling.
Right? It's like adding an extra layer to audio experiences. I'm picturing audiobooks or even games with dynamic dialogues.
And in video games, that could totally change player immersion. You feel more connected when voices align with emotions.
Oh, wow, right. Think of how a character's speech can shift based on what's happening in the game. So cool.
I mean, this really makes me rethink how we approach AI in creative spaces. It's not just a tool, it's a collaborator.
For sure. And it could open doors for diverse voices in media. Anyone can create, regardless of tech skills.
Exactly, the accessibility aspect is game-changing. But let's dive into the tech. Like, what's the secret sauce here?
The backbone is a zero point 0.5 billion parameter llama model. That's a techie way of saying it's super powerful.
Wait a second, Llama. That sounds like something out of a coding carnival. What's its advantage?
It's all about stability and performance. Having that 0.5 billion parameters means it can handle a lot without crashing.
That's impressive. Stability in TTS is crucial. No one wants to hear a glitchy voice in the middle of a story.
Totally. And they've trained it on 0.5 million hours of cleaned data. That's a massive amount of info.
Wow, that's like giving it a PhD in speech. But how does that affect the quality of the outputs?
Well, think of it as learning from tons of examples. More data means it can mimic human speech nuances better.
Oh wow, so there's actual nuance in the voices? That's like adding personality to every voice.
Exactly. And people are already running it in real time. It's so fast, like less than 200 milliseconds.
That's insane. I mean, who wants to wait for AI to catch up? It's all about that instant feedback.
Right? It makes interactive media feel alive. You ask it a question and boom, instant response.
I can see this being revolutionary in customer service too. Imagine AIs that genuinely connect.
Right. And don't forget the voice conversion capabilities. You could literally switch voices mid-conversation.
Wait, what? Switching voices? How does that even work?
You just upload a reference voice, and boom, you get a synthesized voice that matches that style.
That's like magic. It's like having a different dubbing artist on command.
Exactly. And think about representation. It can create voices for characters that reflect diverse backgrounds.
That's amazing. It really invites more people to tell their stories in their own voices.
And there's the built-in watermarking for responsible AI use. That's super important for ethical tech.
Right? It's like saying, hey, we care about using this tech in a responsible way.
Exactly. And that's such a refreshing approach these days. It adds a layer of trust.
Oh man, this is really opening my eyes. So ethically designed, powerful, and accessible? That's an exciting trio.
Right. So if we tie all this together, we're looking at a future where AI feels more friendly and relatable.
Yes, and it's empowering creators everywhere. But what's the next step for users?
Well, I think the big takeaway is how it invites collaboration. It's inviting everyone to join the AI conversation.
And that's beautiful. So if those on the fringes can create their voices, diversity in media could skyrocket.
Exactly. Imagine a world where everyone can have their voice heard. That's not just tech. That's revolution.
This has been such an awesome journey through AI's potential in voice synthesis. I can't wait to see where it leads.
Same here. Let's keep exploring these frontline tech wonders together. Who knows what we'll find next?